remember that for these questions where you need to kind of create an equation from a story, you don't need to create the equation out of thin air, right? Like you do in school sometimes. You're like, okay, create the equations. Here we're given 4 potential equations. Don't try to make one on your own. Just use the ones that are there and test them out. And one thing I see here is this 3 is kind of floating around, right? Choice B doesn't even have one, but that 3 is kind of in different places. Why? What's going on? Where does it belong? So let's think about that as we read the story. For a camping trip, a group bought X 1-liter bottles of water and Y 3-liter bottles of water. Well, it seems like the Y goes with the 3 for a total of 240 liters of water. Which equation represents the situation? Well, only one answer has the Y with the 3, A. Well, I guess actually C does too. But why then is there a 3 with the X? That doesn't make any sense. There's no 3 with the X in the story. So even still, if we kind of just think about the 3, we're really between A and C. And then, yeah, there's clearly a difference between a 1-liter bottle and a 3-liter bottle. So hopefully you'll be like, yeah, A makes more sense because it's just 1 times X, really. So yeah, you should know how to create that equation. It's basically we're using constant rates to add or attach a number to the front of a variable. It's called a coefficient. It's basically capturing how many of something there are, its value, its rate. But remember, just work backwards from the choices. The answer choices are just as much a part of the question as the question itself. So if you're stopping when you get to these question marks and then letting your brain start to think, you're depriving your brain of potentially useful information. Go to the choices, see what they're all about, compare, look for differences, and then go back to the story, and hopefully it'll make more sense once you've got some more clear ideas to go look for.